Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video I have something special that I want to show you guys and highlight to you guys. Today we are having the Mazda Autozam, which does not entirely look like a Mazda Autozam anyways. Number 3 out of 5 from Hotwheels Dream Garage, and number 1 out of 250 from 2024 series and Hot Wheels Legends Tour right there. So yeah, this is one of the contestant winners of the Hot Wheels Legends Tour, Mazda Autozam. Let's go ahead and open this up. Just like car with the Hot Wheels Legends right there. Pretty neat. Let's open this up. So I have a lot of things that I want to highlight to you guys about this engine of a car, but body of a truck and wheels of a monster truck. So why did I say that? So number one, it's called an Autozam because, well, it uses a Mazda Autozam, like basically its engine and its internal parts and all. And well, they picked a separate, like, I don't know, it's like a separate different K truck, I would say. It's like a different body of a K truck, and basically add on something crazy, which is monster truck wheels. Now I'm surprised to see that this made it into mainline instead of like a monster truck series, where it would be 10 times more suitable compared to mainline. But I understand they want to continue the Hot Wheels Legends Tour series in mainline, so they had to take the risk and basically do everything in mainline. And I kind of like how it turned out, as you can see right here. I love the fact that Mattel actually does the fat chunky wheels, as you can tell, which is very interesting. I mean, to compare the size, I think if you want to compare it to like a real monster truck from Hot Wheels, I would say it's slightly smaller, but still it kind of does work because it's plastic. So yeah, let's take a look at this truck. Actually a car or whatever. So here it is, the Mazda Autozam. I guess that's how you say it. It's supposed to be a truck, but not an Autozam. If you don't know what's an Autozam, it's basically like more to a K car, a small little like Japanese car, where it's normally famous in Japan, where they normally use it like for K car racing. Well, there are some other cars in the K car category, like Copen. Well, Mazda's known for it. What else? The Suzuki Cappuccino. If you don't know that, you can search it up. Mazda Autozam and its team. I mean the K car series. So yeah, let's start with this truck. As you can tell. So first of all, we're gonna start off with these fat chunky wheels. As you can see, they are what are these? 6 spokes, as you can tell, 6-spoke rims, and they basically have a white lining all over the rims, which is sick. Big fat chunky wheels right here, which are nice. It's very suitable to roll, as you can tell. Not sure it's good for the track or not. It might topple over a lot. So yeah, let's start from the side right here. You have the internal parts right here, as you can tell, in gray, and also like connections towards the tires are in black, similar to the base. So the white parts are basically the truck's body, which is in metallic white, as you can tell. Yeah, and it's metal, by the way. So let's start from the side. Basically you have the K truck type of, you know, bed at the back. And moving on, you have like some bars at the back right here as well, and then you have the front door, which is pretty sick. It says right there, Texas Toot. What? I assume this is what it's normally named as. So it says there, Texas Toot at the door. I think this this truck is normally named as that, which is pretty cool. Texas Toot right there. You have these side mirrors right there, which is less detailed. Moving on to the front, here's where you can see the aggressive truck. So you have circle headlights right here, which are round, as you can tell. Is that a Mazda logo? No, it's a regular M, which is interesting. Not a Mazda logo anyways, whatever. Black top front part right here, and you can see that the grille is replaced with teeth, which is supposed to be like represent like a scary looking monster truck, I believe, which is interesting. So teeth right there, pretty nice. Some more plastic gray parts and some more black parts right there at the front as well. Here's the tire thickness, just if you're wondering, right here. Pretty nice. And regular window tint, slightly tinted, and also black interior. Yeah, black or gray, I'm not sure. I think gray interior. Here's the other side if you're wondering. That's the whole side part right there. Let's move on to the roof. So roof, you have like a small little place where you can put your luggage or so, your stuff. Maybe more to like a small roof rack at the top right there, which I believe you have some rally lights. The roof should be right here. Don't know if you can see it, but it's not like detailed or anything. I believe on the sides as well. Let's move on to the back. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention on the roof. So you have more transparent parts right here as well. I believe this is like your equipment, I'm not sure. And then you can kind of see something in the bed right here. That is the engine popping out, but they basically didn't color it or anything. Basically really plain, as you can tell. But it's metal, by the way. Pretty nice. So there's the back. Some more gray parts right here and some more black bits. Not sure what is that at the bottom right there. Pretty weird, but yeah, I think that's like a motor. I'm not sure. But yeah. Let's move on to the base. Black plastic base, just if you're wondering. Malaysia, Mazda Autozam, and Mattel. That's basically it. No year, but still, it's fine. So yeah, oh no. Sorry about that. It rolled off by its own. So yeah, pretty interesting looking monster truck, I would say. Not really a huge fan of it, but still it's pretty interesting to see what Mattel actually did just for their Hot Wheels Legends series, basically. Overall, it's quite a interesting one to collect, basically. Quite unexpected, but what can you say? Still an Autozam. Autozam as if not the car, but more to like this monster truck thingy. Still, overall, it's pretty sick. Why is it rolling away? But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Mazda Autozam. If you want to go get it, go ahead. Quite a great, crazy looking like monster truck. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.